So hello, I'm going to do a simple demo of how it works. So this is the universal controller. It will be controlling this other ESP32. So how it works is that when I mention a command, and this will convert it to text, then the command will be sent here. So it will either turn on either of the release depending on the command you send. So this can be used with anywhere. It's also battery powered, and yeah, the connection is wireless. Okay, let me show you a demo. Bedroom lights on. TV on. Lock the door. Lights on. Fan on.